Last time I mentioned AMD may have a big opportunity. Today, I will give you the update of AMD and NVIDIA and SMH, the ETF for semiconductor. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more, make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This is only for the education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. So now I look at the AMD first. This is the daily chart. Last time I mentioned we have an opportunity and then they go above the trend line. If you draw a trend line from here to here, they go above, and we have evidence basically from the chart to show us we have funding coming in. So you can see from the YM chip entry, we have fund coming in this area. And what happened is after, if you have followed this time, what you bought around here, let's say you bought here, and basically they come down. So what's going on? People get very panicked. So I want to draw you a trend line, and we have new funding coming in lately. This is institution fund. One thing is the RSI is going up. You see the RSI is going up and the price going down. This is the typical divergence. Okay, so this means the price going down, but the momentum actually is going up. Okay, the momentum is going up. And one thing happened is, if you look at the trend line, let's say you don't have my indicator, just simple look at the trend line. Basically, they already broke through this trend line, go up already. They come back down to test this trend line, and as a support, they come up again. Okay, one thing you need to be careful. We always need to look at the trend. Are we still in the downward trend for this one? Let's say you don't have my indicator, okay? So you can look at the lower low and lower high pattern. This moment, they are still in the downward trend. If you look at my indicator called YM Club Long, you can see clearly. You don't need to learn any pattern. You just look at the direction. This is downward. So this is a downward trend, not yet the upward trend. Although this could mean this is the lower zone, but it doesn't mean this is a uptrend right away. It will take some time here to up and down here, like sideways, or even correct a little bit more before they go up. Okay, remember, when the investor come in to buy, it doesn't mean they will go up right away. Okay, it just means this is a relative low point. Okay, so basically right now we broke above this trend line, so you need to stay still and form a higher high and high low. Okay, right now it's up by 3.45%. So basically it go up the red line already. Okay, the red line basically will turn a little bit upward, but not yet. Let's wait. And the best is to go above the blue line, and the blue line turn upward. Then it's confirmed. Basically, this is the bottom, and we will start to raise again. Otherwise, this is just still a rebound. You could come up again, and investor come back to buy more here. Okay, so I want to tell you how to read the chart. If you have my indicator, look at the YM big buy, the big volume trade. So this is an indicator filter out the volume. This only filter for the big volume trade. Net buy, net sell. The green is buy, the red is sell. So far, basically, you can see what happened here. It stays strongly above the zero, like this, okay, like a V shape here. So basically, it means the big volume is coming in here, okay? And this is institution funding. What happened is the YM chippers is not yet strong. That's why the rebound is not yet above the blue line. So the one, if you are short-term trader, you can use the red line as a buy and sell position. But remember, the not 100%, because not 100% asset to come into this stock. Why? Because the blue line is still going downward. Okay, so when it's going downward, even the red line going upward, this is still a rebound. This can come back down very quickly. Okay, so we need to wait the stock go above both blue and red, and the best is both lines change the direction to upward. In my previous video, I mentioned basically today, the Monday, 6th of May, or the last Friday could be one of the small peak for the whole market. So let's see how it goes today. And the next thing I want to check with you is NVIDIA. Oh, for the one who has the AMD, by the way, you can use the red line for the stop loss. Okay, so if they drop below, you can stop loss. We remember the risk management. If they drop below the red, stop loss. Okay, even they go up here, they drop here, you can stop loss because you buy around here. So you're still okay. Okay, that the loss is not. Remember, you need to protect yourself with a small percentage. There's no investment. You have 0% loss. Okay, there is no investment without 0% risk. Okay, you always have the risk. Okay, but remember, risk management is about minimize your loss and maximize your profit. Imagine you lost here, which is like we bought around here, and then I stop around here. So you lost few dollar here, but if the gain is a lot, this is okay. Remember the risk reward level is 1 to 3 minimum. So the reward is 3, the risk is 1. So I hope you remember this rule. If you don't know the ratio, if you cannot foresee the gain or foresee the loss, then don't do the game. Okay. If only it's very little profit but big risk, don't buy anything, please. Okay, just keep the money. Sometimes less trade is better. Okay, remember we need to make sure the trade have 70% have confidence that it will go up and then we buy. Otherwise, we don't do trade in between the signal. When there's no signal, we don't do trade. Okay, even you know this is going upward, we still don't do trade. Okay, so this is AMD. Another thing I want to chat with you is NVIDIA. It's the same industry basically. Is it same pattern going on? NVIDIA is stronger basically today. So we have funding coming in around here and they go above 0 already. And NVIDIA is stronger than AMD because look at this one. They go above 0. They don't even touch the 0 point. And then the YM chippers, they go above the red line already. So this is way stronger than AMD. And today, basically, not yet closed the market, but so far, right now, it's up by 3.3%, 917. So it's touching above the blue line. So we need the whole candle to stay, the whole body close above the blue line to be safe. Okay, and it's slightly the slope in right now is still tilting downward. So if let's say the slope, okay, they're still going downward and the price go up, what happened will it happen is they will just, it's still a rebound even they go above the blue line. If the blue line is still going downward, this is a rebound, they will still come back down for sure. Okay, unless the blue line go upward. Okay, so we have the funding coming in to show this is a relative low point, and now the funding getting strong. So we need, so now you see the funding has no problem, and now we just need to check the trend. Is the funding strong enough to change the trend? This is the main question, and we can see it from the blue line here. Okay, so if we stay the whole body above, it is one of the buy signal. Another thing I want to check with you is SMH, which is actually the ETF or the semiconductor. If you don't know which one to buy and if you want to buy a semiconductor, actually you may consider this ETF. By the way, I don't recommend any trade here. Okay, so you can see here, if we draw a line here, they're trying to battle above this trend line. They're trying to battle above this trend line. So it's something we can pay close attention to if you trade it. But again, this is a downward trend. Okay, so don't put too much percentage on this. Okay, so even you bought, you don't put too much because the blue line is still going downward. When it is a downward trend, why I say don't put too much money in? Because when it's downward, look at this. The price can go up, but they can come back down again. The price can go up, but since the blue line is still going downward, it has no luck. They will come back down. Okay, so that's it. So it's very even they sometimes they have a fake breakout. So if you don't have any special indicator, you will be played. Okay, and you will pay the price basically. So you need to be careful. Lately has a lot of false signal. Okay, remember if you use a shorter time frame, for example, if you use 15 minutes or 30 minutes, they have even much more false signal. If you use weekly chart, the longer time frame has much less false signal because it's very difficult to manipulate those kind of candle. Okay, so because those kind of candle is like by week or by month. So this, you see, this is the RSI touch here. And we have also, if you look at OBOS, it's the same thing. The OBOS, they also have a, I don't surprise, they will have a purple candle come out here, and then basically they go above the purple, is one of the buy signal. Okay, but again, the blue line is going downward. Okay, so how to use the OBOS? When the yellow disappear, they go below the yellow, the last yellow. They close below. This is the sell signal. Okay, you sell, you don't buy anything, and also the blue go downward. Okay, so it's a double confirmation. So and here is basically is a purple signal. When they close above this, okay, basically is it this candle is the close above is one of the buy signal. So you basically hold it until now. But remember, the blue is still going downward. You may use the red line to stop loss. Okay, once they drop below, you stop loss. So this is very easy indicator to use. You need to know the trend, you need to know the fund, and you need to know the buy sell point. And my indicator can help you. You can do the subscription in my description. I have a link there. You can unsubscribe anytime. So I see you next video. Bye.